Hello and welcome to Jobs and Education. Do subscribe and share my videos. This is your Mahesh Dole. In this video, I would like to explain some of the important problems on simple machines of engineering mechanics. Very important topic. Let's see some of the formulae. So first of all, what is efficiency? That is mechanical advantage by velocity ratio. What is mechanical advantage? That is load per effort. W is load, P is effort. What is velocity ratio? That is y by x. Y is distance moved by effort, x is distance moved by load. So this is what the efficiency of any simple machine. Mechanical advantage is nothing but load by effort. Let's see, W equals to load, B equals to power arm. So velocity ratio is B by A. It is in case of crowbar. So crowbar velocity ratio. Law of machine, there is a formula P equals to MW plus C. This is very important. Screw jack velocity ratio is 2 pi L by P. Differential pulley block is 2R by R minus R. 2D by D minus D. So these are some of the formulae which are going to help to solve the problems in simple machines. Our important task is that we need to find out the efficiency. So that is with the help of mechanical advantage and velocity ratio. To find out mechanical advantage, we need load and effort. But velocity ratio, for every machine there is different velocity ratio. Look at this. Differential pulley block is having 2R by R minus R. For example, crowbar is having B by A. For example, screw jack is having 2 pi L by P. So velocity ratio is different for different machines. So we need to remember the velocity ratio formula and substitute the values. First question. A load of 2000 Newton is lifted with a crowbar of length 1.5 meter. The fulcrum is placed at a distance of 0.25 meter from the load. Find the velocity ratio and effort applied at the end of the crowbar. This is the crowbar. Effort is applied here, load is here. When effort is applied from this side, load is going to up right side. So this is B, this is A. So load equals to 2000 Newton. W. Power arm equals to B, that is 1.25 m. So velocity ratio equals to B by A, that is 1.25 by 0.25. Because of this is 0.25 given in the question directly. So 1.25 by 0.25. This is what the way of solving the problems. Second question. A man whose weight is 650 Newton raises a load of 1500 Newton by means of pulleys arranged in second system. There are 4 pulleys in each block. Neglecting the weight of pulleys, find its thrust in the ground if the pulley is vertically downwards. So given data is W equals to 650 Newton. So load is 1500 Newton. And number of pulleys in the system, that is N equals to 4 into 2, because of this is second system of pulleys. So N equals to double. So 4 into 2, that is 8. Velocity ratio equals to N, that is 8. For ideal machine, mechanical advantage equals to velocity ratio. So ideal machine given in the question, that's why it is velocity ratio. So W by P equals to 8. So that is also equals to velocity ratio, where P equals to W by P, that is 1500 by 8. So we'll get P equals to 187.8. Next, thrust. To calculate thrust, we need to subtract this P from the weight of the man. So 650 minus 187.5, that is 462.5 Newton thrust. Next question. In a wheel and differential axle, the diameter of the wheel is 400 millimeter and the diameter of the axle are 90 mm and 80 mm, and of an effort 245 Newton can lift a load of 12,700 Newton. Find the efficiency of the machine. Also find the effort lost in the friction. So this is a question. Given data is diameter of the wheel is 400 mm given, and diameter of the large axle is 90 mm given. So this one. And diameter of the smaller axle is 80 mm. So load is 12,700 Newton. Effort is 245 Newton. Velocity ratio formula in this case of differential axle, wheel and axle, 2D by D1 minus D2. So 2 into 400 by 90 minus 80, that is 80. So after getting velocity ratio, go for mechanical advantage, load by effort. Load by effort, that is 12,700 by 245. So its answer is 51.83 mechanical advantage. So to find out efficiency, mechanical advantage by velocity ratio, that is 5183 by 80, that is 64.78 percentage. So effort lost in friction is, this is the formula, P minus W by V R. So 245 minus 12,700 by 80, that is 245 minus 158.75. Hence the correct answer is 86.25 Newton. Next question, a screw jack, a thread of 10 mm pitch, what effort applied at the end of handle 400 mm long will be required to lift a load of 20 kilonewton if the efficiency at this load is 45%. So efficiency given, okay, load given. So P is 10 mm, L is 400 mm, W equals to 20 into 10 cube, that is 20 kilonewton given, we need to convert into Newton, so 20,000 Newton. Efficiency is 0.45. P is effort applied in Newton. So velocity ratio of screw jack is 2 pi L by P. So we know L and P, substitute the values. So velocity ratio is 251.2. Next, mechanical advantage, W by P. W is 20,000, P is don't know. So efficiency equals to W by P by velocity ratio. We know velocity ratio, so substitute W and velocity ratio. P we don't know. Efficiency given in the question 0.45. Substitute this in the formula. So we'll get finally P equals to 176.92 Newton. Next question. In a system of pulleys of the first type, there are 3 movable pulleys and weight 320 Newton can just be supporting by an effort of 50 Newton. Find the efficiency of the machine. So we know efficiency formula is mechanical advantage by velocity ratio, where velocity ratio of first system of pulleys is 2 power n. So n equals to 3 number of pulleys. 2 power 3 is nothing but 8. So mechanical advantage is W by P. W given as 320, P given as 50. So 320 by 50 is 6.4. So efficiency equals to mechanical advantage 6.4 by velocity ratio 8 into 100. So finally we'll get efficiency is 80%. So when it is first system of pulleys, velocity ratio is 2 power n. If it is second system of pulleys, it is n only. If it is third system of pulleys, 2n power minus 1. 2 to the power of n minus 1, like this. So different velocity ratio formulae are there for different system of pulleys. So this is the way of understanding the questions and solving them into solutions of simple machines. Thank you for watching this video. Do subscribe and share my videos. This is your Mahesh Dole.